Hey everybody! Today I show you a simple recipe that you can cook easily at home. Trust me. The first time you have a cup of rice. Then you do in water or something. I have a rice cooker. Cook it the rice. I do some salt and pepper, and I stir it because I'm mix it, stir it. So in the this time I have 200 grams of mixed mixed meat. I do a little piece of paprika. You can spicy or sweet. That's your choice. It's no problem. And I have a little bit of chili. You guys love chili too? Write it under the video, please. So mix your spices and your mixed meat. So in this time I have a red onion because a red onion is not so spicy. We don't need more spicy again. The red onion have a good flour. Do 2, 3 mushrooms. Cook it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, good cooking. All together. So now put your tomato sauce and the rest of your salt and pepper and mix it again. So when your rice is finished, do it in your cup and cook it for around about 10 minutes slow cook. So I have olive oil and garlic too. Please guys, do the first olive oil and then your garlic because the garlic have some spicy, some experience in his, and the olive oil contract this. So and then put it in and mix it. So and now you have a quick finish, easily food that you can cook always at home for 30 minutes. Thanks guys for watching.